These How to 1 Minute will show you how to send a custom welcome email to new users in WordPress. So whenever a new user comes to your website or register to your website, they will get an automatic welcome message. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it. Log into your WordPress dashboard and we will install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new. And here search for customize WordPress emails. And this is the plugin we are looking for. So install it and activate. Once the plugin activated, scroll down to this left-hand menu and here you will get notifications. So click on it and click on add new and add the notification title. Notification for, select here new user post registration email. You can change your email formatting HTML or plain text. Now write here your subject. And now write here your message body. You can edit your text from this menu. You can add media here and check this box and now click on save. And after that, whenever a new user subscribe to your website, they will automatically get a welcome message. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.